Hello students, so this particular scrapbook is given to you all from the school. So this scrapbook has two sections. One is the single line part and one is the plain part. Okay, now when we talk about the single line part, what you're supposed to do here is, see, there is a date column here. So whenever you all are doing a project, you have to write the date of the project here and the topic. Suppose it is English expedition, if it is science or social studies or whatsoever, you have to write the topic here. Okay, and the pictures or the drawing or whatever part, you have to stick it on the plain area here. So every page will have this format. See here, it is plain part with single line. Okay, see here, so it goes on. So you have to write your informations into this single line part, and you can draw pictures or maybe you can stick pictures in the plain area. So I hope you people must have understood how to write or how to make your projects in a scrapbook. The scrapbook is given to you all from the school. तो आपको essay 1 के लिए 20 marks है project के लिए. तो that 20 marks you will be getting by using all your subjects project. You have to do it in the scrapbook and submit it to us. Once you do that, okay, there is one more thing which I need to explain is the index page. So whatever date you all do, whatever date you all write to do the project, you have to mention that date here, and then the topic, maybe like science or EVS, whatever project you all are doing, and accordingly you have to mention it here. Marks, grade and signature will be of the teacher, so you need not write anything on this particular section. Okay, at the end of the scrapbook there is a certificate. Once we go through your projects, we'll give you marks and we'll assign you the grades and we'll stamp and give it to you all later. Okay children, so I hope you all must have understood how to use the scrapbook. After now understanding what is a scrapbook and how to do it, now we'll see what you all are supposed to do in the scrapbook. Date of submission is given 26th October 2020. You people are supposed to submit the project between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. in the school. Okay, the students from Nirmal will submit in the Nirmal branch, and the students from Yashwant Gaurav branch will submit it in Yashwant Gaurav branch at the same time. Along with the project, we have also informed you all in the last video that you will have to also get your books for stamping. Okay, so we will correct and stamp your notebooks and textbooks. So you will be getting 10 marks on your books and 20 marks on your project. Okay, that is really good, right? So you are going to get 30 marks just for what you people are writing and what your people are doing in your project. You'll be getting 30 marks out of it. So any project submitted after 26th October is not qualified. We won't consider it. So make sure you all submit on 26th itself. Books you all can take back. Parents can take back the books on 29th. Okay, and projects will be with us. So this is how the things are gonna work. So now we'll see for class 2. First is English expedition. So for English expedition, you have to do this in your scrapbook, as I have showed you the scrapbook. You have ever seen a lighthouse? So just Google it up. Your parents can help you doing this. You have to write the uses, few lines about the lighthouse, and if possible try to draw or stick pictures of a lighthouse. So sticking picture or drawing part, you will be doing it in the plain area of the scrapbook, and the writing part you will be doing it at the single line area of your scrapbook. Okay, now let's come to the next part, that is EVS, the next subject. So when we are talking about EVS, okay, when we are talking about EVS, what are you supposed to do is stick picture of your favorite sports person. Okay, maybe anybody in cricket, or maybe in football, or maybe in hockey or tennis, or whatever athlete or anybody as such. Who is your favorite sports person? You have to stick the picture of your favorite sports person. That you will be doing it in the plain area, and write about him or her. Include the given details. You have to write about them. So these are few 3 lines which I have given. You have to include this. But apart from this also, if you have something in your mind, you can write. But writing part आप कहाँ करोगे? You have to do it in the single line area. Okay. तो आप क्या क्या पॉइंट्स इंक्लूड करोगे? व्हाट इज हिज हर नेम, स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन का नाम, what game does he she play, and why do you like him or her. So this can be the points which you can include. Apart from that, if you know something more about that sports person, like where he was born, or which school did he studied, or which particular region he is from, you know, and also you can also mention what is his pet name, or about his family, you know, whatever you can google more about that sports person. So we'll be very much delighted to see if you could carry more information about this particular project. Parents can really help your child doing this. Okay, now let's come down to the third subject, that is maths. Attempt progress worksheet from textbook in scrapbook. Solve all problems of progress worksheet of page number 18, 38 and 90. So let me explain you what is this. In your textbook there is a page called progress worksheet. So I'll show you it in page number 18, 38 and 90. So just a moment. You all can see here, this is page number 18 and this is the progress worksheet. So you have to attempt all this problems of page 18, as well as, if you all can see, the next is in page number 38, the progress worksheet. Okay, and next is in page number 90, 90. You can see in this there is a progress worksheet which you all have to attempt. So these are the 3 progress worksheets which you all are going to attempt in the scrapbook. Okay, so scrapbook में आपको कैसे attempt करना है? You can use all the pages. I'll just tell you. You mostly use single line pages. See, now if this is your scrapbook, so if you're going to start solving it from here, leave this page because this is very dark, and if you are writing it with a pencil, it won't be visible. But once it comes to a lighter shaded plain part, you can use this to write because here the pencil can be visible. So what you all can do is sticking pictures and those projects you all can do it in this plain area. Writing part, if it comes like maths and all, you all can use both the areas apart from this darker part, because then it has to be really clear when you are attempting something. Okay children? Then the last is Hindi. Hindi you have to write, see, I'll just read it. You have to write 10 lines. Write 10 lines about you and your family in Hindi. Do this project in your scrapbook. Make a family tree. If possible, एक family tree बनाओ जिसमें एक tree बना के आपका photo होगा सबसे नीचे, then on that then your parents photo, and then your grandparents photo, and then if you have your uncle, auntie, cousins or somebody, you can also stick their photos as well. So this is the family tree. You can stick and draw it in the plain area, and when you are writing 10 lines about you and your family, you know, it has to be in Hindi and you have to write it in the single line page area. Okay children, so I hope parents and students, you both must have understood how to make this project. Submission is 26th of October, again I repeat it, so make sure you all submit it on time. Timing of submission is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. You have to submit the books as well as the project together at the same time. Books will return you back on 29th. Project will be with us, and when we will submit you the results, that time we'll be also handing over the project to the respective students. Thank you so much.